Hi, I'm Dan Martin and I'm just going to show you a little video just for a problem that we've had in our caravan. Too much light getting in, waking the kids up early. Looked for a variety of solutions and this is something that I've come up with. I hope it might be of help to you guys. So we just have a little bit of a look at a finished product here. So this hasn't been cut perfectly. This is a simple, quick solution to just getting a little bit more blackout within your caravan. Okay, so we've just used a bit of insulation that you typically use under the or on the back of radiators, or maybe in the loft, and what we're looking to do, okay, is just block out that light, and I'm just going to show you how very simple and quick it is as a solution for blacking out some of the windows in your caravan. Okay, yeah, just come here to the back window. This is the only window that I've not done as yet, but I'm just going to show you what we're using. So we're using some insulation like so, just a big roll, 1.2 meters I've used, which is probably an appropriate size for all windows within a caravan. Even the big one at the front, that's about 70 centimeters. So yeah, you need something of reasonable width for the caravan windows. Just simply what you're going to do is just mark it across like so, and just take a little bit of a mark here, okay, and I'm just going to use my scissors just to mark that out, okay. And with that, I'm just going to cut down that line, okay. Dead easy to cut the insulation, nice and easy. And then we're just going to see how that's sort of layering up there. Okay, so that's fine. Give yourself a little bit of surplus. You don't want to go too tight. Okay, and I'm going to do the same on the bottom. Okay, so you can use a pen to go around it. Again, it won't make a great deal of difference. You could be a little bit more accurate, but it isn't going to make a great deal of difference there. Okay, so now we've got our blackout blind effectively, okay, that we're going to be using, and what we'll do is we're going to pop that on the under surface, because what you've got in your caravan are these sort of window hooks that you're going to need to shut at times, and you want to be able to do that. So what we're going to do is just pop this on the inside of the window, okay, just to get a rough idea. I'm going to get it up as high as we can, just to get a rough idea where some of the areas are that we're going to need to make holes. Okay, so actually we've got one about there. Okay, so I'm going to make my first hole there. Okay, and what you're going to do is just mark that out, okay, and create a little bit of a hole in the material there. Okay, just take my scissors out of my fingers there and pop that in, and you just tuck it around, get it in nice and tight there, tuck it around so that you'll black out the majority of that area. And you want to tuck it right up to the top, tuck it right up, and then we can use our scissors for the next hole that we're going to find. Okay, this one we might be able to just put I'm just putting a little V in, little V cut in there. We've got a little bit of excess there, and then we're going to have a little bit of excess on the side here, but I'm just going to put a V cut in this side as well. Okay, so again, just pop in the V in there, okay, and touch that around. Okay, just going to bring that around there. Okay, we've got a little bit of excess here. Okay, so we're just going to trim around that, just to get rid of that little bit of excess there. Make sure it's still at the top. stays in place reasonably well if you tuck it in. So that's pretty good. And again, just follow it all the way up. As I say, dead easy to cut this stuff. There we go. Right, okay. And that's how you create a blackout blind in literally 3 minutes. Now I probably should have done a before and after here, just to let you know what it was like in relation to how dark it got, but it's obviously quite bright outside here. I'm just going to take you indoors now. So I have blacked out all of these blinds. I haven't put across the curtains yet, but this is showing, you know, that it is getting pretty dark in here. It's pretty decent as regards reducing the amount of natural light in here, and I'd have no problem having a little snooze in here just now. Okay.